National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Collier County in southwestern Florida, southeastern Hendry County in southern Florida, northern Broward County in southeastern Florida, southwestern Palm Beach County in southeastern Florida until 3:15 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Big Cypress Seminole Reservation, or 29 miles south of Montreal, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rotenberger Wildlife Refuge and Big Cypress Seminole Reservation. Take cover now. Move to an interior on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.